Cruise by Mandy. Just a quick glimpse in the family time area of the Solarium. On board celebrity ships, there is the Solarium, which is an adults only area. It is covered, and as you can see here, it is quite chilly today in Seward. Yesterday was amazing, and today is a little bit chilly. They have the thalassotherapy pool, which is what I love. Love the thalassotherapy pool, but you do need to be aware that the chemicals used in the pool can sometimes mess up your swimsuit, kind of fade them out some. So do be aware of bringing kind of your yucky swimsuit that you don't mind trashing if you spend a lot of time in the thalassotherapy pool. But it only goes to 4 feet 2 inches. It's got the jets, it's got the soothing back massagers, and I can't zoom in there. But this is the adult only area. So you're asking where are their kids? There's kids here. Yep, there's mine. During the Alaska cruises and certain other cruises as well, they will have this as family time from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock in the evening. You know, areas that it might even be too cold to be swimming outside in the main pool. So this provides families an opportunity for the kids to enjoy the pool area. So, just a quick glimpse. The mountains of Seward are right there in the background. There's people in and out of the pool. There are 270 kids on board this week. There's only about 2,200 passengers for double occupancy. And everything I have seen on the ship looks great. I will be doing a little bit each day just to show. And look at the top. You do have glass windows. So you've got an excellent view of what is going on around. And in the morning, where will I be? I will be right back behind this pool in the aqua spot area. Cruise by Mandy signing off.